Welcome, everyone, to the most awaited carnival of the year. It's a time of joy, laughter, and of course, delicious treats. But who says carnival foods have to be loaded with calories? Join me today as we explore some delightful low-calorie carnival treats that are sure to satisfy your cravings without the guilt. Hey there, carnival goers! Are you ready to indulge in some mouth-watering treats without worrying about your waistline? I've got you covered. Let's dive into some scrumptious low-calorie options that will leave you feeling satisfied and guilt-free. First up, we have a carnival classic with a healthy twist, baked sweet potato fries. Say goodbye to greasy, calorie-laden fries and hello to these crispy delights. Simply slice sweet potatoes into fries, toss with a touch of olive oil, sprinkle with your favorite seasoning, and bake until golden brown. Voila! You've got yourself a guilt-free snack that's packed with flavor. Just look at these beauties. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and oh so satisfying. And the best part? You won't even miss the deep-fried version. Next on our low-calorie carnival tour, we have grilled vegetable kebabs. These colorful skewers are not only a feast for the eyes but also for your taste buds. Load them up with your favorite veggies like bell peppers, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and onions, brush with a light marinade, and grill until tender. It's a healthy and delicious way to get your veggie fix while enjoying the carnival festivities. Just look at all these vibrant colors. Eating healthy has never looked this good. And trust me, the smoky flavor from the grill takes these kebabs to a whole new level of deliciousness. Now, let's satisfy our sweet tooth with a guilt-free treat, fruit skewers with yogurt dip. It's simple, refreshing, and oh so delicious. Thread your favorite fruits onto skewers, think strawberries, pineapple chunks, grapes, and melon balls, and serve with a creamy yogurt dip flavored with a hint of honey and vanilla. It's a delightful combination that will leave you feeling refreshed and energized. Just imagine sinking your teeth into these juicy, sweet fruits drizzled with creamy yogurt dip. It's like a party in your mouth. And the best part? You're getting a dose of vitamins and antioxidants with every bite. Well, there you have it, folks. Low-calorie carnival treats that are big on flavor and light on the waistline. Whether you're strolling through the carnival grounds or hosting a backyard bash, these healthier alternatives are sure to be a hit with everyone. So go ahead, indulge guilt-free, and let the festivities begin. Until next time, happy snacking!